Hello. Today we will learn about the phrase fall to doing something. This phrase means to start doing something, often suddenly or without choice. For example, you can say, she fell to crying after the bad news. Notice that fall to is always followed by the ing form of the verb. You say fall to crying, not fall to cry. It is inseparable, so you cannot put words between fall to and the verb. You can use it to describe actions that happen quickly or as a last resort. For example, he fell to begging when he had no money. It often shows that someone has no other choice. Fall to doing something is common in stories or conversations about strong feelings. It can describe starting to shout, laugh, argue, or even work. Remember, it is different from start doing, which is more neutral. Fall to doing suggests something happens suddenly or inevitably. Try using it in a sentence. After the power went out, we fell to lighting candles. This phrase is useful to make your English more natural and expressive. Practice it by thinking of situations where someone begins an action suddenly. You will find fall to doing something a helpful addition to your vocabulary. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and see you next time.